Welcome everyone, it's Ian from CPP Trading. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways on how you can connect to your Forex VPS, how you can log into your VPS. So first off, you have to log into your account. If you do not have a VPS already, I recommend the Forex VPS. Go to forexvps.net/lp/CPP Trading. It's the one we are using at CPP Trading. I'm even using it for myself on my own accounts, and I've had excellent experience, amazing execution. I have the standard plan, which I think is the core or edge because they change the names all the time. So if you sign up for a year, obviously it's cheaper. Let's do here just a purpose. I do have a discount code for you guys, so make sure to use that. I'll put it in the description. Here you can choose your server location, which is very convenient, helps you with your execution. Let's do New York and continue. And on this page, make sure to apply the discount code. Here, enter CPP20 to save 20% on your VPS. Help you guys save some money. Like I said, they change the names and offers all the time, so make sure to take advantage while it's still available. So once you checked out and you signed up for your VPS, you log into your account. And now you basically see a list with all the VPS you have. If you have one, you'll see it here. If you have several ones, they're listed below each other. Then we go on to log into your service, and you will see 3 options listed here: launch in browser, desktop connection, and launch in VNC. There's one more that I'm going to show you, and we'll go through them one by one. So my favorite one is the desktop connection, also called the RDP. So you'll click on it, you will download this file, and once it's downloaded, you open up your download folder. So once downloaded, you'll see it here. Let's move this to the desktop. And now we basically have this application here. Let's double click on it, and you'll see this window pop up, and we're going to connect. Now it's asking for a password. So your login name is basically always going to be trader, and your password will be sent to you in an email once you sign up for your VPS. So your password is going to be listed here. So you copy your password and you type it in here and click OK. Now it's connecting, and you see this is now your desktop on your VPS basically. So we have these windows open. Let's close them. Now you can minimize the window, you can move it around. You now have access to your VPS on a server. So it's just a normal Windows desktop. Let's look at the next one. To open it in VNC, we click on here as well, and it'll open a other window. Now for some reason it's going to ask us to log in again. Might take a minute or two, and we now have this other window, which is a bit smaller. So now we have to type in the password as well. This is going to be the same password, the one you have from your email. Use the same password. And now this one, the copy paste doesn't always work, which is one of the downsides. So you just have to type in your password manually. All right, now we are connected here as well. So the window on this one is going to be smaller than on the RDP desktop connection. Using the VNC mode, it's going to have a slower connection. So the connection is going to be slower, but it's a good alternative to the remote desktop protocol, the RDP, because it's very convenient as a emergency access. So whenever you can't use the other ones, you can always use this one to still log into your VPS, check your MetaTrader, check your EA, and whatever you have to do. One option is to launch it in the browser. So we log into your service, click on launch in browser, and you'll see this window pop up. Give it a second to connect. And you have to type in your password, which is the password from your email. You copy the password, type it in here, and you're connected. Now the window here is a bit smaller. The connection is also a little bit slower, but it's an excellent alternative to access your VPS and trade when you're traveling. You just don't have access to your computer where you have the other application installed. And the next option is to use the remote desktop connection, the RDC, which is built in Windows. You go to bottom left, type in remote desktop connection and click on this, and it will open up a other window as well. Where computer, you're going to type in your IP address and click on connect. Now it's going to ask you for your password again, which is the same one again. Use it from your email. You type in your password and click OK. We have to say yes. You are connected, ready to go. You can now open up MetaTrader. Now, I'll show you in a separate video how to install and set up MetaTrader on your VPS. So it's going to be explained step by step in a different video, so check that out on the channel. Also, if you want to know what brokers our traders and myself are using, go to the website cpptrading.com or check the link in the description with a list of brokers where you can also get a commission discount and save some money. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe.